Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pablo. Today I will show you how to install Eclipse Java IDE on your computer. So I wasting any time, make sure you have internet and then open your web browser. When you are on your browser, type in Eclipse and then click on the first website. When you get on the Eclipse website, just go down to the download button so you can see get Eclipse IDE 2023 and then click on download. This is for the 64-bit. Click on it and then you will see the download button. Also click on download. If your download doesn't start in a few seconds, then you click on the button that says click here. So as you can see, if the download doesn't start in a few seconds, please click here. So you can click right there if your download doesn't start, but for mine, my download already started. So I will pause this video here on my file completed and then I'll continue the installation process. Once you finish with the download, double click on your download file or you right click and then click open. My computer can install file outside Microsoft Store, so I'm just going to minimize this screen and then go to my setting and then turn it off. After turning this off, I will get back to my download file and then continue the installation process. Double click on the Eclipse file after downloading and then give a few time for the installation for the installer file to open. I will give my Eclipse installer some time. After that, it will open up for my installation process and then I will continue by clicking on the first one as Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So double click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers and then you can allow everything to be on default and then click install, or if you want to make changes then you can go ahead and just select. After that, click install, read the terms and conditions and then press accept now. So my Eclipse IDE installation already started and then I'm just going to forward this video for the next portion, and then after installing click on launch and then you are ready to use your Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please like, comment if you have any problem. Thank you so much.